everyone! I miss you so much! Do you miss me too? Today, we're going to learn a new word family. Are you ready? مين جاهز يقرأ ويتعلم معايا كلمات جديدة ونلعب ألعاب حلوة جدا مع بعض؟ جاهزين؟ Let's go!
Where was Yamna?
Oh guys, look! Look! Can you see this box? Where is the box? Yes! It's here! Let's open the box together. Wow! Look at this! This is an. An. Can you say it with me? An. Good job! So today we will learn the word family an. Oh, guys, look! Who's this? This is a man. An man. I can see a man. Oh, what about this? Look, this is a pan. Pan. We can make pancakes in the pan. 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 Oh, guys, it's very, very hot. I need a... Yes, I need a fan. Fan. An fan. An fan. I need a fan. Oh, what about this? This is a soda can. If you're very, very thirsty, you can drink a can. 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 So guys, these are the words that we've learned today. Are you ready to read them one more time with me? An, man, an, pan, an, fan, an, can. Now it's your turn. Can you read the 4 words together and get 4 stars? Let's go. Super. Awesome. Good job. So guys, let's play a game together. I'll show you a word. If the words end with an, thumbs up. If it doesn't end with an, shake your head like this. Ready? Let's go. Oh, look at this. What is this? This is a dog. 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 فيها an. سامعين صوت الآن؟ Dog. No, shake your head. Okay, word number 2. Ran. Ran. سامعين an? Yes, good job. Word number 3. Sun. Sun. No, it doesn't end with an. Okay guys, now it's the sentence time. Let's try to read the sentence together. يلا نحاول نقرأ الجملة دي مع بعض. The an man has a can. The man has a can. The man has a can. Now it's your turn. Can you read the sentence alone? The man has a can. Good job. Now, one more time, but faster. Super! Guys, I prepared a surprise for you. Can you see these worksheets? In these worksheets, we're going to learn trace and match. مجهزة لكم worksheets حلوة جدا جدا هتلاقوها تحت الفيديو. حملوا الوركشيت وطبعوها واعملوا tracing وcoloring وmatching وما تنسوش توروني النتائج. Guys, we are done! Yay! Today, we've learned a lot of new words and read many sentences and we've played a lot of beautiful games. النهاردة اتبسطت معاكم جدا جدا. ما تنسوش تشتركوا في القناة علشان كل الفيديوهات بتاعتي توصل لكم. See you later!
Learn with Yamna.